Welcome everyone to our C tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to write a Hello World program in the C language. So if you have not watched any of my C++ videos, you should go check out the first one. I'll show you how to kind of maneuver into files for the Unix and Linux based systems, and using VI, just a little bit of details with that. But today we're going to start off, and we're already in our terminal. Like I said, if you don't know how to get here, go watch that first C++ video I have up, and it will show you how to get here. But this is a VI hello world.c. This is the name of your file, and this is the extension telling your computer we want to write this. We're going to be speaking to you in C. So if I'm, meeting a new person and they're not sure what language I speak, I'm going to let them know, hey, I speak English, or I don't speak Spanish, or this is kind of the same thing. We're letting the computer know, hey, we speak C. And so we're going to start off. You're going to click I so you can get in insert mode, which enables you to write in this VI editor. And so you're going to spell it right. You're going to write include. And it's kind of the same as C++. If you don't know C++, it's okay. Go check out some tutorials to find out a little bit more. But basically, you're going to write stdio, and that is basically saying we're using a file that's going to allow us to write and speak back and forth to our computer. Okay, and we're going to do integer main and return 0. If you know C++, excuse me, if you know C++, then it's kind of the exact same setup that you're going to be using for your C and C++ languages when it comes to your main function and setting up the environment. The difference between, I just made a serious mistake. The difference between C++ and C, in this case, is this include is stdio, and C++ is ios stream, IO stream. And here I forgot the .h, so don't do that either. So anyways, you're going to come down here, and let's say we want to print something to the screen. We're going to say print f, and we're going to write a string in double quotations. Hello world in C. We're just going to say hello world in C. And then outside of the parentheses, which comes after the printf, you're going to put a semicolon, which says, hey, this statement is done not executing. This statement is done. I'm finished with it. You can do whatever you want. And so here we're going to save and quit out of this program. And you see it says include int main. We're going to print F to the screen. And then we're going to run it. So that's something for C++. Here is, I'm going to be using the CC compiler to compile my program. And it's hello world.c. I'm going to create an object file called hello world. And if that executes, I want to run hello world. There we go. We have hello world in C. Once again, we have this guy, which I believe is indicating that we have a character that we might not, I'm not even sure what this means on my MacBook, but we did not skip a line. And to prove that, we're going to go up here to vi hello world.c. We're going to reopen that file, press I, and we're going to say, okay, we're going to copy and paste this. On VI, copy and paste, I believe it's double Y, and then press P to print. You cannot be in insert mode when you do that. You have to press escape and be, I think it's called command mode or something like that. But you'll do insert, and we're going to say computers anonymous. And we're going to save it. and we're going to compile that, and you're going to say hello world in C, computers anonymous. And once again, you get this little symbol. We don't want that for readability issues, and that's just grammatically correct. Wow. Okay, that was bad. So pretty much, you want to do vi hello world.c, go back into insert mode, and then here at the end of your C, you're going to say \n. This is telling the computer that you're going to skip a line. This is called an escape sequence. Our computer does not read this inside of our string. It's just \n means, okay, stop what you're doing, jump to a new line, and then we'll continue from there. And we'll do the same thing here. You don't have to, unless you want that symbol that I had. I'm not too sure if your computer is going to act like mine when it comes to that. But you're saying, I want to say hello world in C, stop what you're doing, jump to a new line, and then say computers anonymous, stop what you're doing, jump to a new line. Just because these are on separate lines in my text file does not mean that they're going to print separate lines. You have to tell the computer to skip a line, or it's going to continue to keep trying to write on that same line. We're going to recompile it. Let's actually clear the screen, and we're going to say compile. Boom. Hello world in C. Skips a line, computers anonymous. Skips a line. You don't see that symbol there anymore, and everybody's happy. Your computer understood that you were trying to talk to her or him, and everybody was happy. So thank you for watching this tutorial. This is a hello world in C language, and you guys have an awesome day, and come back for more videos.